Glamour shook hands with talent. Style got a twist with substance. This calendar featured such trendsetters who are truly the game changers. Rupa Vohra and Mithali Vohra presented their much looked forward to a calendar that features a stellar mix of achievers from all walks of life who are successful and certainly define style.
Very interesting sort of mix of people because we decided to include men for the first time. Usually क्या होता है कि there's 8 out of maybe 12 to 13 people there are women, and that's just how it works because it's a jewelry brand. But this time we were like, let's keep things interesting, let's keep things fresh, and we decided to go in and do a lot of male appearances as well, which was very interesting for us. So we had, for example, Alim, we had Manish Paul, Mukesh Chhabra, people who are associated again with different fields, as we always do. And this time we called it Connoisseurs Club.
While at the unveiling of this calendar, Style Setter got candid with some of the trendsetters who gave us the sneak peek about their picture-perfect calendar look and of course some dilchasp baatein from behind the scenes.
The look is very me. I like to be a little casual when I'm not in my suits. I love to be in my suits though, but it's a little cooler look. So I think I hope everybody likes the look also.
For my shot was confetti. So as you can see, they are like these thermocol balls that we were throwing all over the place. So we did it a couple of times, and I thankfully got my shot pretty quick. So it was fun, a lot of fun.
Well, my look in the calendar is what I know is somewhat, I won't say similar, it's very high fashion. But a tinge of, that is my character, which is an online sensation, Damayanti. So just a tinge of that yes, people can connect easily. So I have rollers in my hand and just a high fashion hairdo. Something very interesting, you guys will love it.
I just remember there was a time during this shot when, the photographer said, put the donut into your mouth, but make sure you don't eat it because we don't have enough. And then I said, oh. So it was in my mouth and I was just like, okay, I'm going to hold this pose. And I didn't eat it. I managed not to eat it. So it was fun.
Well, now take a look at this picture. He is the man behind trend-setting Bollywood hairstyles. From Ranbir Kapoor to Hrithik Roshan, super stylist Alim Hakim is the first choice of many Bollywood boys. And we couldn't resist talking to this supremely stylish and talented man. How is it featuring on the calendar?
It's beautiful. Rupa Vohra has been a very old friend, and she was always after me that you should feature in the calendar. It's my honor to be in her calendar. She has done, she's got a beautiful collection of jewelry. Her store is beautiful, and it's nice when you're part of creative people, and when there are so many other celebrities, other creative guys in the same calendar, you feel nice.
Wow. Any of the shooting experiences that you would like to share with us? Something interesting that happened there?
Well, it's been shot by my friend Pinky, and she's a very talented photographer, and the whole idea was let's do something quirky, something funny, and she got one hair extensions of ponytail, and she's like, okay, you need to chop that. Okay, so, yeah, and I was trying to do a little bit of funny expressions, and that's what they were, that's what they wanted, and yeah, I think so. It has come out really well, and it's looking quite funny.
Yes, it is. Talking about your game-changing area, hairstyling, you have taken it to a different level for men's hairstyling. So when you started, how challenging it was?
Well, everything is challenging in life, and when I started, there were not too many celebrity hairdressers, and I was quite serious about changing this whole idea of to have a personal hairdresser for every guy in the industry, every actor, and for me it was very important to make them look very iconic and make them look different in every film. So for me it was like breaking the ice, because 10 years back, they were very stereotype of styling. If you're famous for a particular style, that means you will keep it for at least 5 years, or 6 years, or maybe a decade. But for me, it was like for every movie you have to look different because you're playing a character. You're not a hero in the film. You're a positive character, but you're a different guy in every movie. So you can't keep looking the same because there is a saturation point for the viewers. So it's just to break the saturation, because you don't want to eat the same kind of food, you don't want to see the same kind of people, you don't want to wear the same kind of clothes. So it happens, you don't want to see your favorite guy in the same kind of hairstyle or clothes in every film. So my whole idea was to to make them look seriously different in every movie.
Style Setter loved the idea of having game changers on the calendar. After all, setting a trend is new cool. Being a game changer is extremely stylish. So go fearless and shine like a star.